What's up guys, Shavar here, back with another new awesome video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an online store for your business. Like that being said, let's get started. And I'm at the theme section. As you can see, I just need to choose a theme. Okay, and please keep in mind that I can sort it by online store, landing page, funnel if I want to build a funnel. Okay, but I'm just gonna go back to website because in this video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different to show you guys how powerful Quack Builder really is, that anything you imagine you can build it with quackbuilder.com. Okay, for you can choose any themes and you can just start and build from there. As you can see, if I preview this theme, you can see it's really stunning and beautiful, and I can say start with this theme if I want to use this theme. Okay, but as I said, I'm doing something different today, so I'm just gonna scroll all the way down. And guess what I'm gonna do today, guys? I'm going to show you guys that anything you imagine you can build with Quack Builder. Okay, so I'm just gonna scroll all the way down here and I'm gonna choose a blank template. Okay, this is a totally blank page. Only thing is on here is the logo and home. Excuse me, hopefully that's it. Nothing else on this page. Okay, and I'm just gonna click start with this theme and I'm gonna give it a name. Okay, I'm gonna say I'm just gonna say Shavar online store. Okay, so Shavar online store, and I'm just gonna click submit. And as you can see, Quack Builder immediately tell me to add a logo and choose my brand color. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it I'm just gonna put gray, that color, and I'm not gonna put a logo in because I'm trying to do everything from scratch. Okay, just gonna click go to my site. And as you can see, guys, you can watch this video if you're new to Quack Builder, excuse me, hopefully, and you can learn how to use the builder from there. Please keep in mind to also make sure you subscribe, okay, and click the post notification bell. All right, so as you can see, guys, this is a totally blank website. Okay, all right, so the first thing I need to do is to give my store a name. So I'm just gonna put Shavar online store. Okay, oops, excuse me, hopefully, and that's my name for this store. All right, and I'm just gonna click save changes. Okay, awesome. So now that we have our name for our store, and you see, and this is a blank page, so now what? I'm just gonna start to build on this page. So the first thing I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna upload quite a few pictures and probably some product and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna come right here and I'm just gonna swipe all the way down there, just to have some product picture as well. I'm just uploading some picture right about now. And as you can see, yeah, we got some pictures right here that we can start our website with. Okay. All right. So the first thing I'm looking for a picture to use as an as a big banner picture. Okay. Let me see if I can pretty much find one to use as my uh, banner picture. This and this. Okay, so I'm just gonna upload all these pictures, guys, and see. Whoops, did something wrong there, so let's go back. I'm just gonna upload these one, guys, because something is not supported in those other files. That's why it give me that error. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this as my header picture, and I'm just gonna, you know, so I'm just gonna over that line right there, and I'm just gonna pull it down a little bit. And as you can see, I got a big banner image. Okay, so the next thing I need to do, guys, I need to adjust this picture exactly the way I want it. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 3 of them. Okay, and I don't need it to be 3 of the same image going across. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off repeat and put it on full. Okay, and then I'm just gonna throw it to the right a little bit. Okay, and when I throw it to the right, I think I probably need to let me see, scroll parallel. No, so I'm not gonna use that. As I said before, let me see, this vertical looks fine, and then I'm just gonna throw it to the right. Yeah, just like that. Okay, guys, so as you can see, that's my banner picture right there. So this is my header. Okay, and this is the main picture, the banner picture you're gonna see as you get to my online store. All right, so next thing I need to do, I need to put some text in here. So I'm just gonna drag that text, put right there, and pay this no mind because we're gonna fix that later on. Okay, and I'm just gonna say highlight that and say welcome. Oops, let me do this again, guys. Sorry for that. Let me say welcome to Shibai online store. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna, you know, try to get this big, and then after that, let me see if I change the font or will look. Okay, guys, yeah, I like that more. So this video, guys, is to show you guys what you can do with Quack Builder. Oh, powerful Quack Builder here is like anything you imagine, you can build it. Okay, and I'm building this store from scratch. I use no template whatsoever. Okay, so everything that's in my head, that's what I'm trying to do to make this work for me. Okay, welcome, let me space that, welcome to Shavar. Let me go down with that a little bit. Shavar online store. Okay, and as you can see, these is really close, and I don't need it to be that close. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna highlight it, and this is to space it out. Okay, so as you can see, it's really better. Okay, it's better the way the space in between these two words. Okay, so welcome to Shavar online store, or I can say yeah, that's basically what I wanted to say. Okay, and then what we need is another headline, kinda another, you know, text, and then I'm gonna say um, shop to save big on on say laptop computers. Okay, I'm just gonna say that for now. Okay, and I'm just gonna add a button now. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that button right there, and I'm gonna say shop now on the button. Okay, and then I'm gonna click enter, and as you can see, the button is way over here, all the way over here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it to the left, and then I give it a little space. Okay, and as you can see right now, if I click save, this is the way my store looks now. Okay, isn't that awesome, guys? And then I can just click preview to see how it's gonna look on a customer perspective. Okay, so as you can see, this is my store that I'm making already. It's already look good. Okay, if I click shop now, it's not gonna do anything because I don't link the button to go to the shop page as yet. Okay, and I'm just gonna do that right about now. Alright, so first, before we can do that, we have to activate our store. Alright, and the store is right here. So if I click right here, as you can see, store is currently disabled. Activate now. Okay, so I click yes, and now my store is activated. All right, and I'm just gonna go back to the builder, and then I'm just gonna click shop, and then shop now, and then I'm just gonna click that link, and then I'm just gonna link it to store. Okay, so if I save that, and now if I come right here and I click refresh, I have to refresh it first and then click store. As you can see, take me to my store, and this is where all the products going to be. Okay, so if I click back the logo, it will take me back to the home page of my store. All right, so now that we have our banner looking beautiful, we have some title, and we have a little bit of description. All right, so what next to do? All right, so the next thing to do is just I'm just gonna add some demo product for now, so we can get our store going, and then I'm just gonna go back to the home page, and then I'm just gonna build out my store. All right, so I'm gonna click add a product right there, and as you can see, these are all the products that we can add. All right, we can add a physical product, digital product, services, and membership. All right, we can make a full membership website. Okay, so Quack Builder do basically everything. All right, so what kind of products I'm gonna sell in my store? Physical product, because anything that I can ship, I need to choose physical. No matter how small it is, as long as you're going to ship it to the customer, you have to choose physical product. Okay, and I'm just gonna click that right there, and I'm just gonna say laptop computer, and this is gonna be a demo product. Okay, I'm just adding these stuff in product in so we can have something in our store to show you. Okay, but you guys have to put all your image right here, and you guys have to put all these information in. All right, including your SEO, search engine optimization, to get find in Google, Yahoo, and Bing, so customer can discover your store to buy products and services from you. Okay, so as you can see, I put the image right there, and you can put more than 10 or more than 9, 10 image. You write your description for your product right here. For me, I'm just gonna leave this blank, okay, because I just gonna do this video for demonstration purposes, but this is what gonna be there for the description. Okay, and I'm gonna give my computer price, and I can say this one is going for $250, and 19 cents. Okay, or if I want to put this product on sale, I can say, okay, this product is on sale. For it was at 250.19, but now it's at 155.25. Okay, so that's how you put the products on sale. And your stock, this is your SKU. Okay, so how much of these laptop you have available, okay, in your inventory. You can say, okay, I have 20 of these, I got 20 laptop to sell. And no, excuse me, hopefully available in stock, you put 20 right there. Okay, and the SKUs, you can put anything for your SKUs. Sorry for that, guys, I was going too fast. But you can put anything for your SKUs. Your SKUs is basically your identification number for the product, so you can search for this product with the SKUs number to find it. Okay, and available, I got 20 products. Okay, all right. And subscription, okay, this is not a subscription product because you only gonna ship this once to the customer. They only need to pay for it once, and that's it. Okay, ask for additional information, you can, ask for that if you want, make tags and stuff like that. Show thank you page, you can show your thank you page if you want to do that. Okay, categories. All right, so if you don't see your category here, you can actually create your categories by just clicking that plus button right there, and then you can say laptop, computers. Okay, and then you're just gonna click submit, and there go your category already. Okay, and then you click confirm, then you click save. Okay, all right, so now we have one product in our store. All right, and as you can see, the SKUs, sorry for that earlier, guys, the SKUs is the number that identify the product. You can create any SKUs number you want to identify your product in your store. Okay, and if I go back to the website, this is the home page, and if I click shop now, as you can see, that one product is in our store. And if I click that, as you can see, this is the image that I use, and I can add it to my cart. Okay, but as you can see right now, if I could proceed to checkout, as you can see, it's basically everything is working properly. All right, but as you can see over here, there's no cart on my store. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to the builder because I show you guys how to add products now. So at the top right here, to activate your cart on your store, all you have to do is come over here, click that little plus button right there, and then as you can see, these are the stuff that you can add. And I need a cart, so I'm just gonna click the cart, and as you can see, the cart is now there, and I can modify the cart. Of course, I can make it any color that I want, and so on and so forth. Okay, I need a blue shopping cart, so I'm just gonna put it in that blue. Okay, and as you can see, if I click save and come back to the preview, if I refresh this, the cart will be there. All right, so I can click there and go to the cart and check out my product, and if I want to. Okay, so as you can see, I just have the header of my website, and now a banner, okay, and the shop now button, etc. Okay, but now I want to go deeper. I want to make my store. How can I do that? Okay, so in Quack Builder, it's pretty easy, guys. Pretty easy. You can build everything by, you can add your own container and build out those container, or you can make it easy and just go like this, and then you can say services. You can say, all right, I want to add 4 1 2 3 4 product services. I can do that, and I'm just gonna delete the header of it. I'm just gonna delete that. Actually, I'm just gonna delete that block right there. So I just need these four, and I'm just gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete all the text from this block and only leave the image. Okay, guys. So as you can see, delete all those, only leave the image. Why? Because I'm gonna add my image in to this to those four things. All right, so what do I want to highlight? I want to put that mirror thing right there. I want to add this box thingy, and I want to add another product. I will add this TV right there, and I also want to add this one more product, guys. Let me see. Don't have enough product thingy in here, but I'm just gonna add this that TV as well. Okay, guys. This is just for demonstration purposes, but you want to add, you know, some different categories right here. All right, and then I'm just gonna click save. All right, so as you can see right now, I have this section right here. I have 2 blocks, and I got some services in this section as well. All right, and I'm just gonna hover over this block right here, and then I'm just gonna click the resize button, and I'm just gonna click full width. Okay, so it go all the way across. All right, and then when I click save, if I come back to the preview, refresh, in real time, it's there. Okay, but as you can see, guys, I don't need another white to be at this block. Okay, I'm just gonna change this color real quick. So if I go over it, if I hover over this block and click block and then background color, as you can see, I can change the color to something else. All right, so I'm just gonna click that, change it to that color, and then I'm gonna go back and refresh it. And now, as you can see, I got 2 blocks, and now it's separated by the colors. Okay, and these are just pictures. It doesn't do anything as yet. Okay, and these should link to a specific categories. Okay, so these are categories picture. I can say, all right, for this one I can say cars and auto. For this one I can say camera. For this one I can say TV, and so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna show you that real quick. All right, so what I'm gonna do is click that once and click edit image. Then I'm gonna go down to add image caption. Okay, and as you can see, this is right here, the caption. All right, so I'm just gonna go caption type, and I'm just gonna click over the image and mouse over. Okay, so I have to mouse over it to see what it actually does. All right, and then it's gonna say caption headline. All right, I can say cars. I can say cars and more. I'm just gonna say cars and more. Okay, and then I'm just gonna click this, and I'm just gonna empty that, and then I'm just gonna come right here and say add call to action. And where do I want it to go when they click the link? I want it to go to the store for now. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it go to store for now. So if I refresh this now, if I come back to the preview and refresh it, as you can see, do it again. If I hover over it, you can see come up and say cars and more. All right, and cars and more. And if I click that, say call to action, I should have changed this like how I'm there, say call to action, that button right there. I'm just gonna click and say shop now. All right, and then when I click shop now, when I save it, go back to the preview and refresh it. If I hover over it, you can see say cars and more, then it say shop now. Okay, so if I click that button, it take me to the store. Okay, and then I can shop and buy my product and so on. All right, so let's do that to all of them, guys. So click that, I click add image, do the same thing, and then for the caption for this one, I can say cameras. So I'm just basically making categories right now, and then it's gonna oops, I don't want to add overlay, I want to add call to action and say shop now, and then I'm just gonna put it to the store again, and caption, that's the way it is. So yep, cameras, shop now. Okay, and I can, for this one, I can say add that, and I can say over, I can say TV, and then I can delete that, then I can add a call to action. Call to action is shop now, enter, and then I also need this to go to the store. Okay, please keep in mind that you're gonna link these to the category it deserve to go to. Okay, but for right now, I do not reach that far as yet. I don't have categories that I create as yet, and I'm gonna show you guys how to create your category as well. All right, and for this, last but not least, I'm just gonna click edit, pull this over, add that, and then I'm just gonna go there. For this one, I'm gonna say mobile phones, and I'm just gonna delete that, add call to action, and I'm gonna put it to store. For now, I'm just gonna put everything to store until I create the categories. Okay, so if I come back to the preview and refresh, if I hover over all of these, you can see now that I can go to the now it do something. Okay, and I can go and shop for TV, and I can go and shop for mobile phone, etc, etc. Okay, so that's how you create that. All right, guys, and the next block we want to create now, we want to create a product blocks. Okay, or we can do videos if we want, etc, but I'm just gonna focus on product for this particular video. Okay, all right, so as you can see, we have another block right here, empty block, and basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna chop this block up in like 3 or 4, let me see, 4, 1 2 1 2, I'm just gonna do 3 for now and see what's going on with that. So 1 2, you know what, guys, I'm just gonna go for 4. The reason why I was saying 3 is because I don't know if I have enough product picture available to do 4, but we're gonna try it out and see if it works. All right, so basically, guys, I have 4 blocks right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add image in these blocks. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull that block and pull that image in, and I'm gonna add this that image. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull it, I'm gonna hold the image and pull it all the way down a little bit. All right, let me see, I'm just gonna add some spacing, guys. So just click that, drag the space in, and I'm just gonna add that much space in. Okay, all right, so now that I have this, what next I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna create make some slightly color for the edge of the block. So I'm just gonna pull that up, click that, and then I'm just gonna put a border on there. Okay, And I'm gonna change the border, guys, to a yellowish color. Okay, as you can see, let me see if I can get a good yellow in there. Yes, so as you can see, and I can add padding as well, as you can see, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of padding so it be different from the other from the other columns. Okay, sorry for that. So as you can see now, I have um a game console in there, not a game console but a controller. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is gonna click block, go over block, excuse me, hopefully, and I'm just gonna click full width for now and see how that looks. All right, and let me see box again, full width. I like box more, so I'm just gonna leave it as box for now. Please keep in mind that we can also change it. Okay, guys, when we designing, we just look to see what look good, and we can change it if we need to. Okay, so all right, like that being said, as you can see, all right, I'm just gonna finish make this out, and then we can go from there. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna pull some text in here, and I'm just gonna say, all right, pull this one right there, and I'm just gonna say special, I'm just gonna say special deal. All right, you can, you know, write say hot deal, hottest deal, bestseller, etc, etc. All right, but I'm just gonna say special deal for this one, and I'm just gonna, you know, make that bold, and I probably you know, make it a little bit bigger. Then I'm just gonna pull this down a little bit, okay, because I'm just gonna add another text right there. All right, so special deal, I'm putting this down a little bit so it doesn't be on top of that, like, you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna click save. Always click save, guys. If you make progress that you like, make sure you save your changes. Okay, you don't know what can happen. All right, so as you can see, we have this game controller right there, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add another text right there, and I'm gonna say I just gonna say game whoops, excuse me, hopefully for that, game controller deal. Just gonna say and soon, game controller deal, and then I'm just gonna say ending soon. All right, I'm just gonna click that, and I'm just gonna change this to another color, guys. So I'm just gonna put that blue right there. All right, and as you can see, look perfectly fine. Just gonna save it like the way it looks, and then after that I'm just gonna scroll down here, and then I'm just gonna scroll down one more time, and I'm gonna add a timing clock. Okay, had that clock. I'm gonna say count time, and I'm just gonna say you know, let's make it 30 minutes for this one. 30 minutes and 28 seconds. All right, I'm just gonna click that so it's keep doing it over and over again, because I don't want to just come back and keep refreshing it. Excuse me, hopefully I don't want to come back and keep refreshing it for this video. Okay, so I just make it count. Okay, and then you can make it go to a page if when it finish count, or so just show a message. Okay, I'm just gonna leave those as the way it is, and I'm just gonna click off, and then I'm gonna click that, and I'm just gonna make the size of the clock more smaller. Okay, so it can fit inside that box right here. All right. And the next thing we need to do, we need to add some, some stuff right here so they can take action on this deal that we offering them. Okay. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna pull that down, put another text right there, and I'm gonna say hurry up, whoops, hurry up before this deal end. Whoops, take that H off, and okay. And then as you can see, I'm just gonna double click that, and I'm just gonna center it in that box, okay, in that thing right there. I'll pull it down a little bit so I have a little bit of space in between that and that. All right, so the next thing we need to add is the price. Okay, so gonna pull another one in. Whoops, sorry for that, guys. Pull another one in, and I'm just gonna say how much is this, how much is the controller I'm selling. I'm just gonna say $29.99, and I'm just gonna put some dollar stuff in there so they know I'm talking about money. And then I'm just gonna make it bigger, like 28, bold it, and I'm just gonna put it in a different color. Okay, action color, so probably that one. All right, yes, awesome. And then just gonna center it, and after that, as you can see, this store is looking much better already. Okay, so as you can see, $29.99 I'm selling this for. Okay, and then what I need to do is add a button that say buy it now. Okay, so I'm just gonna say buy it now. All right, guys, and then what I need to do is to provide a link so when they click it they can buy the product. But guess what? I don't create the product for this deal as yet. I'm gonna create it later on. Okay, so just want to get that out of the way. All right, so let's pull this down a little bit, and I'm just gonna click that and click the brush because I want to change the color from that to something else, so to yellow. So buy it now, and of course I want to make it smaller, not too much big, because we don't want to have a big button in there. All right, pull this down a little bit more. Okay, okie dokie. All right, so as you can see, our online store looking awesome already. All right, so if we go back, if we click this and preview our store in real time, just like our customer will see it, as you can see, we have this special deal right here, and if they click the button they will go to the store because I don't create that product as yet. Like that being said, guys, I don't want to confuse you guys, so let's just create this product and just get it out of the way. All right, so I'm just gonna go to the store and I'm just gonna click add product, and then I'm just gonna click add product, and of course it is a physical product because we're gonna ship it to our customer. All right, and then I'm just gonna write game controller for this demonstration video. Okay, I'm not gonna put the description, but you guys should put your product description, etc. Okay, and I'm just gonna click that, and I'm just gonna add the game controller because that's my product that I'm creating. Okay, please make sure you do your SEO as well. It's really important, guys. And then I'm just gonna say 29. How much did I set it this game for again? The deal is $29.99. Okay, so I'm just gonna put $29.99 as the price, or I can say this control was $33 $39 for it, okay? And then I'm gonna put it in sale and say now it's for $29.99. all right, so now this product is on sale. As again, this is the SKU's number that identify the product. If you can search for it as this SKU's number to find it quickly in your store, and you can put how much you have available right here. I'm just gonna say I got 19 of those, okay? You can, this is not a subscription product. You can ask for additional information if you want to. You can show a custom thank you page if you want to. And now for the category, okay? So we gotta add a category. All right, this is not a laptop computer, so I'm gonna add a category, say games, okay? And that's my category that I'm gonna put that controller in. All right, and then I'm just gonna click save. Awesome. So now that we have our product, guys, that created, I'm just gonna go back to the builder, and when I go back to the builder, guys, as you can see, if I click this right here, I'm just gonna link the controller. So if they click the controller, it's gonna take them to the product as well, okay? So if I click open link, and then I scroll down and click store, now I can click the actual controller that's right here. This is the controller product that I just created, okay? So if I click that and click select, now that link is populating in here. So if they click this, it's gonna go directly to the controller so they can buy this controller, okay? And I'm just gonna do the buy now button as well. So I click store, the product, it's not the laptop. Remember, we created two products in that store, okay? We create a laptop and we create a game controller. All right, so click the game controller, select, and then click save changes. All right, so if we preview again, and now if we refresh this store, as you can see, this is where we had right now. And then if I scroll down and I see special deal, okay, so as you can see, now the control is now bouncing because that link in there, okay? So if I click it, it take me to the control to purchase it, okay? So if I click add to cart, now I can check it out, and now I can buy that controller product, okay? So if I click my name again, it go back to the store, and if I click the button, it take me to the controller as well to buy that special deal. Alright guys, so that's the way how you make your store out. Alright, I know this video is gonna be a little long, guys, but if you want to know how to build an online store that is awesome, that can take your business to the next level, it take work, guys. It take works, okay? You have to work to your goal, and once you make it, you have it forever, okay? So take the time, make a perfect store, and then when you make your store, you know, you can go from there. You have nothing to worry about because you already created your store, and you only need to tweak it, add more product if you want to, and make more sale. That's as easy as it gets, okay? So as you can see, we finished with this block right there. All right, so next what we want to do, we want to add more products, okay? So let me see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we need 6 product, guys. We need 6 product in order to finish this block, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, excuse me, hopefully I'm just gonna go back to the store, and I'm just gonna click add product, okay? So right now we currently have 2 product in our store, all right, and we need 6 products. So let's create 4 more products, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna click add, and I'm just gonna click physical product, and then I'm gonna click right here to see what we have to work with. All right, so I'm just gonna add this. I'll create this product first, and I'm just gonna say what's this? This is a power bank. Okay, power bank. I'm just making this video simple, but guys, please make sure you put your product description, your your product title, excuse me, hopefully, and your product description, your price, do your SEO, SKUs, and all this. Okay, make sure you complete all this. Okay, I'm just doing this because I don't want this video to take way longer than it's supposed to. Okay, so I do the power bank, and then I would write my description and then the price. Okay, how much is this power bank is for? I'm gonna say $25. Okay, 25.15. I'm not gonna put this power bank on sale, and I'm just gonna add a SKUs. SKUs can be anything, and how much you have available in stock. Okay, I can say I got 12 of these. All right, and then I can, you know, we already talked about these. Subscription, it's not a subscription product. Ask for additional information if you want to, or show a custom thank you page if you want to. All right, and I'm just gonna put it in a category. The category, this can go into game because it can charge your game. It can, you know, laptop, it can charge your laptop, but I'm just gonna write power bank right here. All right, click submit. I'm just gonna click confirm. Okay, once you click confirm, as you can see, I'm just gonna click save, and my product is created. All right, let's create 3 more, guys. So click that, click this image because I want to see what I'm working with. I'm just gonna click this one right there, and I'm just gonna say computer CPU. All right, do your SEO, but I'm just gonna sell this computer for $189.89, and for the SKUs can be anything you want, and I have 9 of these. Category, I'm gonna put it in laptop computers, and then click save, and then save. Okay, let's add 2 more, guys. So physical product. All right, see what I have to work with. TV, just gonna say, all right, TV, or computer monitor. Do your description, SEO, if you gotta do that. And say 255.82. That's not on sale, so I'm not gonna put it on sale. And then I'm just gonna type SKUs available 8, not a subscription. Then I'm just gonna click add to category, and I'm just gonna write a category that say TV. Okay, submit, confirm, save that product. All right, so 5. Let's do 1 more, guys. So I'm just gonna click that. I'm just gonna add, and I'm just gonna put, all right, I'm just gonna use this one for example. I'm just gonna click select. I'm just gonna say car camera. All right, so car camera. Description, have to write your description, please remember, guys. And this one is for $28.73, so 73. And then not on sale. I'm gonna create a SKUs real quick. How much available? I got 35. Got 35. Put it in a category. I'm just gonna add a category, say camera. Okay guys, and then click submit, confirm, and save. Alright, so now that we have all 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we probably need more, but who knows. Let me come back to the builder right now. So now we created 6 products. Okay, so let's put all those products on our website. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add image. Alright, so one image right there, and then I'm just gonna click right here, and I'm just gonna add this power bank. Alright, select. As you can see, that's a power bank right there. I'm just gonna pull it down a little bit, and then I'm just gonna say just gonna put one more right here. Click. I'm just gonna say that computer, pull it down a little bit, and pull that down a little bit. Okay, alright, and then I'm just gonna put another one, another image guys, pull it, click on that, and I had that TV, pull it down a little bit, and I'm gonna pull this down a little bit. Alright, and the next thing I need to do guys, I'm just gonna add some divider. Okay, so right, that's separator. Okay, so I'm just gonna click that, put a separator there, and I'm going for the full width separation. All right, I don't want it to be too much visible, so I'm just gonna, you know, like that, make it light. And because I don't want to do so much, you know, I need it to be the same color, so I copy it, and then after copying it, I can pull it to the next section of those other columns. Okay, so let's pull that down a little bit. So as you can see, now it's separated. All right, so let's do some about 3 more. Okay, so image, pull it in there, choose the image that we use for the products that we created. Let me use this one, then pull it down a little bit, see how it looks. Awesome. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna, you know, do this real quick. I have to remember the products that I put. I think that laptop should be in there. Yes. Okay, and last but not least, put another one right there and click. Alright, so where's the other one? I never put that one in. TV. I think I did do another TV, probably this one. Anyway, I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, but make sure guys that you choose all your product that you created in your store. Okay, then I'm just gonna click save, and if I click preview, showing a new tab, and if I come back, if I scroll down, as you can see, now my store is getting awesome. Okay, you can see we look way better. All right, and I'm building this store from scratch. All right, I choose no theme whatsoever. Okay, I'm just building what's in my head. I'm just, you know, try to take what's in my head and build it out in Quack Builder. It's so easy. Okay, if you imagine it, you can do it guys, you can do it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm creating my awesome store, but as you can see, nothing is clickable as yet. Okay, it's just image, and that's why we created those products before we do this, because we have to link the products, all these pictures, to their product page. Okay, excuse me, hopefully. So I have to link all these pictures to their product page. Okay, so if I click back there, I'm just gonna click the right here, and I'm just gonna click link, and then I'm just gonna click open link, unclick, and then I'm just gonna click that, and I'm just gonna click store right here, and I'm gonna choose the product. Okay, so what the product was that I clicked, it was a power bank, right? So I click power bank right there in the store, and then I click select, click off that, and then I create this other picture, link it to the product page. All right, so that's the computer right there. So I click store, click all, and then I say computer CPU, because that's what I named that product in the store. And then I click off of that one, then I click this one, click link, and do the same thing, guys. I'm just gonna click store, and that's the TV, right? I think I click do two TV. I probably mess up TV, computer monitor. I think that's the one, is that. Then I'm just gonna click that, and then for this one, click that, click open the link, store, and then I'm just gonna choose car camera, because that's what I think I named that one. And this one, click click that, and open the link, click store. It should be a laptop. I don't know if I did create a laptop. Yep, so laptop computers. And then for the last one, click that, do the same thing, guys, same thing. Okay, store all product, and let me see, cam 1 2 3 4 5 6. So game control oh, I think I never created that one, but I'm just gonna link it to the TV as well, so the same TV. Okay, guys, so please make sure you create all your products, and then you can link all of them to the actual product. Okay, so if I click preview now, and then I come back to this page, as you can see, all these are now clickable. Okay, so as you can see, as I hover over them, they started to move. All right, and when they move, you can click them, and then it take you to the product, and now the customer can click that, add it to their cart, and they can also purchase that product. Okay, but if I go back to the home page, scroll down, as you can see, our website is looking fantastic, guys. Okay, and I'm building it from scratch. Okay, so our website look fantastic, guys. So we need to add some more, some more awesomeness to this block. Okay, so as you can see, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scroll over this and click column right there, and I'm just gonna click right there for the border, and I'm just gonna just give it a 1%. Can give it more, but it's gonna be too much. It's all depends on what you're trying to achieve, but I'm just gonna give it 1% because I don't want it to look too thick, and I'm gonna give all the columns 1%. Okay, so I'm gonna click border right there and just give that another 1%. Come on now, 1%. And you can rise it if you want a little bit above, and so on and so forth, but I'm not gonna do that. I need everyone to be on the same level. I'm just gonna put that to 1% as well. All right, so as you can see, if I click save, preview, and go back to the page, I'm just gonna refresh it. As you can see, now my store is so much awesome, guys. This is the way how powerful Quack Builder really is, guys. Anything you imagine, you can build it. Okay, guys, it's really easy to use. You can use Quack Builder, take your business from nothing to everything. Okay, so as you can see, I just built this awesome looking home page in literally I don't know, probably 30 minutes, or I could build it in at least 10 minutes, but because I have to demonstrate to you guys, it take me a little bit longer. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is my home page. I got, you know, my header. I got some banner, you know, explaining my website with my website name, so on. I got some, you know, some little text right there telling me that I can save big on computers and laptop, and I can click here to start shopping. And if I click there to start shopping, as you can see, all the product that I created is inside my store. Okay, and you can click store and start a shop, you know, and you can buy these products, etc. Okay, but right here now too, the image is on the right and the add to cart is on the left. What if you don't need it to be like that? Okay, what you can do is you can come over here and click store, and as you can see, store layout right here and style. You can, you know, choose the style of your store. Okay, so you can click edit, and then you click that once, and then click settings, and then this is basically the way how the store appear. Okay, and I need it to show, I need my store to show image first, and then, you know, this product title and description on the right, and the add to cart button or buy now button on the right. Okay, so when I click that, as you can see, it immediately change. All right, so if I click save changes, and if I go back to preview, and if I go to refresh, and then if I go to shop now, and then if I click any one of the product, as you can see, now the picture is on the left, and, you know, description and title is on the right. And this is how most of you guys know your online store should look. If you see it the other way around, no problem, you can easily fix that in the settings. All right, so as you can see now, and if I click back there, I can enable zoom, and I can enable the SKUs that I was talking to you guys about when creating your product. And you can add a buy now button, you can add, you know, these kind of button, that's the share now button, excuse me, hopefully. You can add Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Okay, and then when I save it, if I go back to the actual store, that on a customer perspective, and I refresh it, you can see these buttons appear. All right, so anyone that, you know, see your product and be like, okay, this is cool, they can share it on their LinkedIn and get other people to see your product as well. Okay guys, so let me go back to the home page. As you can see, this is awesome. And then I'm going to go back to the builder, and then I'm just going to go back to store. I'm going to go back to layout. Okay, and the next thing I want to, you know, look at is this. I'm going to turn on cart quick view, so whenever customer click on a product and add it to cart, they get notified that the product is actually in the cart. And I'm going to show your product name right here, so I'm just going to turn these on. Okay, after I do that, guys, I'm just going to scroll up and click save. And then the next thing I want to do is click product layout. Okay, so what this does is basically show me, you see the way showing up in the store right now is exactly like this, and I want to change it. Okay, I don't want it to show like that, so I'm just gonna click that. Let me see, this one or this one. Actually guys, I'm just gonna click save it, keep it at this one, and then I'm just gonna give it more products, show more products. Okay, so it's gonna show more than two products on the screen. Okay, and I can add discount text, or I can add percentage off. Right now, let me see what it's showing. If I click shop now, it's showing, doesn't show me any discount text or anything. It probably show you at the home page. Let me see. No. So basically what I'm gonna do is say discount, and as you can see, show you the example, say, you know, money or percentage. Okay, I'm just gonna show percentage. You can show buy now button if you want, or show advanced file, and that's at the side. And then you can say, you can add a search in there if you want, or you can add the filter, or you can just, you know, add exhaustive product variation. All right, I'm just gonna keep it as this, and I'm just gonna click save. And if I come back and click store on the main website, just like our customer will see it, this is now how awesome our store look. So this is our store page, okay? And now this is how our store looks. Okay guys, so basically guys, these are the categories that we created, and they can, you know, do it by the price, how much they want to spend, and so on and so forth. Okay, and you can see changing in real time when you try to change the variation of the price. All right, so I'm just gonna click back on my home page, and as you can see guys, remember I clicked that notification. Oh, remember I clicked that notification on when someone add a product to the cart. As you can see now, it started to show the percentage on the store. So this one give you 38% off. So if I want to buy this controller, if I click that and click add to cart, as you can see, it started to show me that the thing is actually in the cart. Okay, now that we have an awesome online store guys, what next to do is, let me go back to the builder. Actually, let me go to store to see something. You can create discount code and so on and so forth. I'm gonna show you that in another video. I'm just focusing guys on the building and the designing of your website in this video. Okay, you guys let me know what other video you want me to create, and I will definitely create that video for you guys. Okay guys, all right guys, like that being said, all right, so now that we have an awesome you know, design, you know, what next? Okay, so basically guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create some more product for my website. I don't have enough product right now, but I can definitely create more product and add to my website. And just to show you how fast this can be, once you create this once guys, you see this whole entire block. Once you create this block once, you do not have to create it again. Okay, you can hover over it like that and copy the whole entire block. So if you're adding more product, it's much more easier for you to do so. Okay, so I just copy that block and it's saved right here. So if I come here and I click and drag, I can drag a whole entire another row of products in. Okay, as you can see, I can add them like that together, and you can see there's an old entire block is there. But I'm just gonna pull that out, and I'm just gonna say, okay, I'm just gonna say, all right, if I need it like that, I can say put a headline right there. I'm just gonna add a, let me see, add a container first, so I can add an headline, and then a next title right there, and then I'm just gonna say I'm just gonna say best seller. Okay guys, so So if I put bestseller right there, I'm just gonna, you know, make it some more. Put bestseller, make it a little better. So, and I'm just gonna make it smaller too. Probably like let me see, 32 looks fine. Alright, so if I say bestseller, okay, and then what I can do, guys, I can come in here and I can change around these products. Okay, so if I click save, if I preview it and go on the home page, this is the way it look right now. Okay, so I can say special deal and I can say bestseller. Okay, I can delete this, pull this down a little bit, and I can change this image if I want to. Okay, I can change this image. I can say, all right, put this computer there. You know, I can say no, there's a computer. I'm just gonna delete this one because the special deal is at the top. I don't want two special deal. And then delete that, and I'm gonna delete this one as well. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put back the divider thing right there, and once I put it, I'm gonna delete, I'm gonna remove this as well, so it just be the, you know, the image, and pull this up a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add another image right here. Okay, guys, and once I do that, so this is the way how you can, you know, add different products. Let me remove this image. This doesn't look like a good image for that, so let me put this one. Let me put that one. Okay, guys, so this is the way all you do, or you put different image inside of, you know, of different of this block. Okay, so you need to, you know, change the product up. Okay, so say for instance you have special deals right here. You can say bestseller right here, and then you put the best selling product on your website right here. Say for instance I got two of this. Let me see. It's because I don't have much product as yet, but say for instance if I put that, you know, and then I can link a different, I'm just gonna leave that one to that. I'm just gonna open this and let this one go to store until I created that product. Okay, so if I go back to the website as a customer perspective, then if I scroll down and like, okay, got special deal and stuff right here, best selling stuff right here, and so on and so forth. And that's the way how you can build your entire site out. Okay, guys, or you can just create a category and so on so forth. All right, so say for instance you can say, all right, I'm just gonna, you know, for now I'm just gonna hide this, and I'm just gonna create category instead. Whoops, let me put another container there first, and then I'm just gonna pull text in like that, and then I'm just gonna say laptop, and then I'm gonna put that thing right there and say TV. Just gonna put one more right there, and then I'm gonna say cameras, put that again, laptop, TV, cameras, I don't know, computers, whoops, computers. Okay, guys, and let me say video game, video games. Okay, all right, so these are my categories. Okay, and I'm just gonna highlight all of them and I'm gonna put it in the middle. All right, so oops, let me hide this again. So once this in the middle, these are the category. Okay, and I'm just gonna pull this up a little bit so they can know I'm trying to do a category right there. And then for these, I'm just going to link them to a specific category. So if I go to the store, see categories at the top, I can say this is what, TV. Let me see. No, laptop. So I link laptop categories to store laptop. Okay, laptop computers, and then TV. After that, I'm just going to click TV, and then the category for that, TV, and then cameras, links, store, say camera. All right, say computers, you know, and then that's the way you do it, guy. You created different categories to go different places, okay, on your website. And then you say games, you can, you know, store, say games, okay. And then if I save these changes, preview my website and go down, as you can see, now it's right there. All right, and now what I'm gonna do for it to stand out, I'm just gonna put it in bold, and I'm just gonna make it bigger. Okay, 18, see 18, save changes, and I'm just gonna pull this a little bit more up, and then I'm just gonna, you know, make it more spaceable, and then click save so they know the block is separated. Okay, so if I refresh it, as you can see, it's now in different, I can have my category, I can click and go specifically to that category. All right, and as you can see, guys, it's really easy, really simple, fast, and this is the way to go. All right, so basically what I can do is, as well, I can make a different color, so it's color difference right here. All right, so what if we don't want it to be all the way white? Okay, you can come back here, you can just click that and you can change the color. Okay, you can give it a different color, so for instance, you know, that kind of color. And let me see if it's, I'm gonna put the same color for that one, so they look like they the same block. Okay, click enter, and as you can see, if I click save, go back to preview, refresh it, and scroll down, as you can see, different colors. Okay, and that's how easy it is, guys, to build out your entire store using Quack Builder, guys. Really super easy. Okay, but what if you want to do something different? What if you want to take a break right here? What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a ads right here, and then I'm just gonna make it show the categories right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click here, add a image, put a image right there, and I'm just gonna upload this one image real quick, and then just gonna click select, and as you can see, it's right there. And pull this down a little bit, take that a little out, and just click save. And if I preview it in real time, this is the way it looks. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is the way it look. Okay, and then this one is say shop and save big on artist tablets. Okay, we don't have a tablet product as yet, but we can link this in the meantime to the store, just to show you guys how it works. So I'm just gonna link that to the store, so now when I preview it, excuse me, hopefully, if I scroll down, I see that now you see what it does. Okay, now I can click it and go to the store, because That's like a banner ads right there, advertising something. Okay, so let me refresh that, take some space out and refresh that. Yeah, so as you can see guys, I can click that, go to the store and start shopping right away. Okay guys, so it's just whatever is in your head guys, Quack Builder can, you know, help you to achieve it really easy. Okay, so as you can see, this store is really stunning, beautiful, and you know, anyone will come to this website and buy your product or services. Okay, and it doesn't stop there guys, you can keep going. Okay, all right, for example, if I want to be like, okay, I can add a whole entire block right here and say call to action. I can get them to, you know, sign up for something. I can say you know, services or call to action. I can choose any one of these to get someone to, you know, take some action. Okay, I can say I'm looking for something simple, not too much not too much stuff, not too much crazy stuff. Let me see, opt-in and contact. Okay, so I can get someone to opt in to something. So for instance, I'll say all right. So for example, this one, for example, if I choose this one right here, I can say I can say get free coupon, get free coupon and deals, get free coupons and deals. All right, so first of all, let me see if I can, you know, take some of that out and see the way it looks. Or let me see if I can. All right, so you know what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna delete this and use this. Okay, so this is enough. Say get not get but sign up. Oops, sorry for that guys. I can say sign up today for coupon and deals. So you can say sign up today for coupons and deals. Okay, and I'm just gonna make the and in a and like that. Okay, and then once I do that, I'm just gonna say enter your details below to grab your free report. I'm just gonna say enter your details below say please use the form below to get our promotions and and I'm gonna say and as in and deals. Okay, not perfect. You guys can, you know, brainstorm and, you know, tell them what they're supposed to sign up to and so on and so forth. Okay, this is just a demonstration video. So and this is the form they're gonna fill out, and then right here when they fill that form out, I'm just gonna click settings. I'm just gonna, let me see, change this button and say submit. Okay, so once they do that, they're gonna submit, and then when they submit, we can send them promotion like coupon and deal, etc. That's what they signed up for. Okay, if I click save, go back to preview and preview that, as you can see, that's the way now our website will look, and then they can sign up for coupons and deals. All right, so after that, guys, I'm just gonna wrap this video up with a footer. Okay, so every website need to have a footer, so I'm just gonna create a real basic simple footer right here. So and just end this video right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just click this add to block button, and I'm gonna go to footer, and as you can see, we make a lot of footer that you can use to build out your website, to make it easy for you to, you know, customize and have a perfect footer that works for your website. Okay, all right, so what I'm just gonna do is choose this basic one right here. You can choose any one you want, and as you can see, it say my brand, and I'm just gonna put Shavar online store, and then I'm just gonna put right there Shavar online store. All right, reserve, and if I click save, now that's the way my website gonna look. Okay, really fast, guys, really simple and easy to do, to create your online store with Quack Builder, you know. And I can do way more stuff than this. Is just because this video is gonna take a very long time, and I'm just, you know, showing you guys what you can do with Quack Builder, and how you can build your online store with Quack Builder. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna touch is the header. I'm just gonna finish up with the header. Okay, so as you can see on the header, guys, you only have home. Okay, so basically if I scroll all the way up, I'm just gonna space this out a little bit from the cart. Okay, and I'm just gonna click edit. All right, and right here what I'm gonna do is add some more header, some more menu. Okay, so I'm just gonna say add a menu item, and I'm just gonna add the store. Okay, and that's one of them. As you can see, store, we now have store, and we can add pages as well. Right now I only have the home page, but oops, I can change it, and I can say, all right, contact, if I want to, and then I have to create a contact page and link it to contact. Okay, so whenever someone click on this, they go to contact. Okay, so as you can see, that's now what I have on my header menu. Okay, and please keep in mind, if you want to add a search, you can also click here and just click and add a search button. Okay, and let me go to the settings real quick, and as you can see, these are the stuff that you can make your when someone search, they can look up. Okay, if you don't want them to look up your portfolio, you can uncheck it, and they will never find your portfolio when they search in that box. Okay, but I'm just gonna leave that on for now. and I'm just gonna click save changes. And please keep in mind, you can also, color your search box, make it awesome, etc. You can change the border around it, color, and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm just gonna put it to blue, because my shopping cart is blue, so I always wanna make the colors match up. All right. And if too, guys, if you don't want it to be like that round shape, you can play around with the size and stuff too, and the padding, and so on and so forth. If you don't want it to be having like that round shape, you can, take it off, or you can make it a box shape if you want to. I'm just gonna make it a little bit round, not too much, but a little bit. Okay, so that look awesome for me. Okay, and right now if I click save and go back to my page and refresh it, you can see that I have a stunning online store that I create from scratch. Okay guys, so if you're new to Quack Builder, guys, it's really simple, it's really easy to use. Watch this video. If you don't get the how to do it on the first time you watch it, watch this video again and watch it again and again until it sinks in, guys. And then once it sinks in, trust me, you will be a pro at designing your own website, or even design website for clients. Like that being said, guys, my name is Shavar, and thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.